In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add first name in Mailchimp emails. Personalizing your emails with a first name is a simple change that can make your campaigns feel much more friendly and tailored to each subscriber. I'll walk you through the process step by step, and by the end, you'll know exactly how to insert the first name merge tag into your Mailchimp email design. First, log into your Mailchimp account. Once you're in, look over to the left-hand panel and find the section labeled Campaigns. Click on that. The page will load and you'll see a list of your existing campaigns. Take a moment to locate the email campaign where you want to add the first name. On the right side of that campaign, you'll see an Edit button. Go ahead and click Edit. After the page loads, you'll see a preview of your email. This is how it currently looks to your subscribers. To make changes to the content, move your attention to the bottom right corner of the screen and click on Edit Design. This will open up the email editor where you can adjust text, images, and layout. Inside the editor, look at the left panel. Here, you'll see different types of content blocks you can use, like paragraphs, headings, images, and more. To add a first name, choose either a paragraph block or a heading block, depending on how prominent you want the greeting to be. Click and drag that block into your email and drop it exactly where you want the subscriber's first name to appear. Common spots are at the very top of the email, just under your logo or right before the main message. Now it's time to edit the text in that block. Click into the block you just placed and type your greeting. For example, something like hi or hello. To insert the first name, you'll use Mailchimp's merge tag. Type an asterisk, then a bar line, the word fname in all caps, another bar line, and then another asterisk. It should look like this when you're done. Asterisk, bar, fname, bar, asterisk. When the email sends, Mailchimp will automatically replace that code with each subscriber's first name, as long as it's saved in your audience. Once you're happy with your greeting and the placement, look at the top right of the screen. Here, you can either click Send Test to send yourself a test email and make sure everything looks correct, or choose Save and Exit if you're finished and want to return to the campaign overview.